Hello and welcome back to English Decoding. I'm Alice. Today I have a small challenge for you. It's simple, but it's not always easy. Can you focus for just 5 minutes? No phone, no noise, just you and my voice. I'm going to tell you a short story, a story about a summer trip. Close your eyes if you want to, or just relax and listen. Try to picture everything I say as clearly as you can. Are you ready? Let's begin. Last summer, I took a trip to the sea. I woke up very early that morning when the sky was still a little dark. I packed a small bag, a hat, some water, and my favorite book. I closed the door quietly and walked outside into the cool, fresh air and took a deep breath. I got on a train and found a seat by the window. The train started to move, slowly at first, and I watched the city slowly disappear behind me. Tall buildings became small houses, and small houses became green, open fields. I rested my head against the window and just watched the world go by. After almost 2 hours, I finally saw it, the sea blue and wide and endless. I smiled without even thinking about it. I stepped off the train and felt the warm sun on my face for the very first time that day. Everything around me smelled like salt and summer and freedom. I walked down to the beach, and the sand was soft and warm under my feet. I took off my shoes and carried them in my hand. The water was cold, but it felt absolutely wonderful. I stood there for a moment, just listening to the waves in and out again and again. Later, I found a quiet spot and sat down slowly on the warm sand. I opened my book, but I honestly didn't read very much because I was too busy watching the sea and the way the light moved across the water. A few birds flew low over the waves, and somewhere behind me, children were laughing and playing. I closed my eyes and just breathed slowly in and out. For a little while, I didn't think about work at all. I didn't think about my phone or my messages or anything I needed to do. I only thought about that one simple, quiet moment and how good it felt to just be there. Around noon, I felt a little hungry, so I walked to a small cafe near the beach. I ordered a cold drink and a simple sandwich and sat outside in the shade. An old man at the next table was reading a newspaper, slowly, smiling to himself. I remember thinking, this is exactly what a perfect day feels like. As the afternoon slowly turned into evening, the sky started to change color. Orange, then a soft pink, then a deep, gentle purple. I watched, completely still, until the sun finally disappeared behind the water. For a moment, everyone on the beach went quiet, just watching together in silence. Then slowly, I stood up, brushed the sand from my legs, and walked back toward the train station. I felt tired, but calm, the good kind of tired that only a wonderful day can give you. On the train home, I looked out the window one more time and watched the dark sky roll slowly by. I didn't check my phone, not even once, the whole day. I just watched and listened and breathed and felt completely, quietly happy. Okay, you can open your eyes now. If you listened to all of that without stopping, without checking your phone, congratulations. You just focused in English for 5 whole minutes. That is a real skill, and it gets a little easier every single time you practice it. Here's a small question for you. Tell me in the comments in English, what is your favorite place to relax? I would genuinely love to know. If this short challenge helped you today, hit subscribe so the next one finds you. I'm Alice, thank you for focusing with me today, and I will see you in the next story.